Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPad and Apple ID are ready. Sign into your Apple ID under Settings if you haven't already, because Game Center uses that account to sync friends and achievements. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and open Settings right arrow Game Center, turn Game Center on, and choose a display name. This first step unlocks friend invites and multiplayer. Make sure notifications are allowed so game invites arrive, otherwise you'll miss incoming matches. You next add friends and enter games. Open the Game Center profile or settings to send friend requests by Apple ID or share an invite link. Recipients accept on their device. Then launch a compatible game, choose multiplayer or invite friends, and select the contacts you added. While doing this, make sure Game Center privacy settings let you receive invites and be discoverable, otherwise friends won't find you. If you prefer cross-platform play, check the specific game's multiplayer options before inviting. You finish by managing sessions and knowing what to do when things go wrong. Accept invites from the notification or Game Center app to join quickly. End a session inside the game when finished. If multiplayer lags or friends can't connect, sign out of Game Center, then sign back in to reset the link. If that fails, restart the iPad and update iOS. These steps often restore matchmaking. One troubleshooting tip: verify your Apple ID billing and region settings. Mismatched account settings can block multiplayer access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.